In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use footnotes on Google Docs. So let's get started. So it's very easy. So first is that you would want to go and um, uh, put in your text in here. So I'm just going to generate a document, for example, for this tutorial by using the AI of Google right here. Now, in here is that to add a footnote, you just basically would want to highlight a part here of your work that you'd want to add a footnote in. Like, for example, I would want to explain more about this birthday party right here, or this specific word, or this specific phrase. So to add a footnote is that you would want to simply go here into insert while highlighting this, by the way, and then you would want to go click here on footnote. And then you would now have this right here. This is the footnote. So you can put in the explanation for that, or any notes that you would want to be added that would correlate to the one that you have highlighted right here. And notice that there is a number one indication, so that you would be able to pinpoint that this footnote is connected to this one right here. And it also has the number one symbol right there, so that you'd know which is which. And from here, let's say that this is my birthday party, for example. Just like that. And now you have added a footnote. Now you can go back into your work and do it as usual. And then you could basically just go scroll down if you'd want to see your footnotes. And that's it. You can always add more if you'd like. Like, for example, this one right here. I'm going to add a footnote again by going into insert and then footnote right here. And then we will now have number two and then another number two symbol right here, so that you'd be able to pinpoint which footnote this belongs to. So I'm gonna go for, this is my checklist. So yeah, this is it for this video on how you'd be able to easily do footnotes on Google Docs. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.